In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload an image here in InDesign. Now, this is actually a lot easier than you may think. What we want to do is come up here to the left-hand corner where we see File. Now, if we click on there, we then want to come down to where it says Place. Now, we can choose the image that we want to upload. For this example, I'm going to use this watercolor cow. Now, if I click Open, it's going to look like this. Now, don't click anything on the mouse because what we want to do is come to where we want to insert it on the canvas. Then we're going to click and drag to make this text box. Then, when we let go, it's going to place it inside just like this. Now, you might try and move this and it might go like that. Now, obviously, we don't want that to happen. So let me put that back. If that does happen, what you simply want to do is double click onto the image just like this, and then we can move it around. Now, if you want to resize this, what you want to do is come over here to the left hand side to this free form tool or this free transform tool. Now from here we're going to right click to make sure it's enabled because it might be on one of these, and again we want the free transform tool. Now if we come over to our image and click onto the corner, we want to hold down Shift on the keyboard and then we can resize to however we want, just like that. So as you can see, it's actually pretty simple to upload an image here in InDesign. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.